Oh my God. Come on, let's drink for that. Drink for that, man. Come on, drink it. Come on, drink it, baby.
Nah, man. It's party.
Oh my.
Yes, ma'am.
One margarita, please.
Margarita po.
Thank you.
Oh my. Guys. Si Andrea ba yan?
Who is she, bro?
Brad, siya yung... the woman, the hottest na nakakasabay ko sa gym.
Oh, you gym?
This is it.
Gym yourself.
Yeah, I gymmed my own. And that girl, and this is my opportunity
Okay.
na diskartehan ko. Didiskartehan ko.
You gotta do that, man.
Okay.
You gotta do it.
Help me, okay? You buck up,
Are
okay?
you serious with that?
I buck up. Okay, wait.
Right. Right. Come on, man. We're watching you, my man. Woo! We're watching you.
Excuse me. Can I ask you something?
Wait.
Okay.
What are you having? Tea?
Hello, Barto. Anong tea yung pinagsasabi mo?
No, what I meant to say is, tea. Kasi, when you enter the bar, tinamaan agad ang puso ko. Like it.
Pwedeng later ka na magpa-cute kasi pagod ako.
OOG.
No problem.
Man,
No problem.
man, what happened to the tea?
Dude, I think yung pick-up line mo hindi gumana,
No,
pare.
the girl is so slow.
Slow.
Super
Di niya na-gets.
slow. No, man.
I'll try, pare,
You try it.
I'll try it. I'll try it.
You get to try it?
I'll try it.
Right. Good luck, my man. Good luck.
Okay, guys.
Woo! Break a leg, my man. Break a leg.
guys. Excuse me. I hate to say this, but you're like my underwear.
Yuck! Underwear? Bakit naman underwear?
Because I won't last a day without
Oh!
Okay.
Not interested.
Hey, you know,
You try.
You know, there's a problem with both of you.
What?
There's a problem.
Okay,
Puro kayo daldal. Wala naman kayo sinasabi.
solve the problem.
Dapat may pick-up line. Konting airport.
Okay.
What?
Okay, konting airport.
Ninoy Aquino International
No,
Airport.
not that airport, my man.
Sorry. Okay.
Okay, Buddy,
Buddy.
can you
Yes,
change
sir.
the music? Change the music. Something upbeat, my man.
Okay po.
Upbeat.
There you go.
Yeah.
You got to want to dig it up. You got to all you got to do is just dig it up. You got to dig it up. Pop, dig it up.
Teka lang.
Nahilo ako. Okay lang.
Okay ka lang?
Okay lang mahilo. Basta sa'yo lang umiikot ang mundo ko.
Isa-isa talaga kayo nag-pick up line, no? Isa-isa kayong bumabanat. Alam nyo, kaya ko rin gawin yan. I can also play your game. Diba?
Guys, me
Come on,
first.
come on.
Me first.
Let's give it a try. Let's give it a try.
Let me handle it.
No, me first.
I'll do it. Okay.
Then
Bacho.
me
Okay,
first.
you first.
All right.
Okay.
Okay.
Ay, alam mo,
Yeah.
you smell like trash.
Bro, narinig ko na daw, bro.
So old.
Yeah, kasi you wanna take me out.
Hindi. Hindi pick up line yun. Serious yun. Maligo ka ang baho mo. Grabe.
Here we go. Here we go.
I'm done.
Here we go. It's my turn. Here we go. Everybody listen. It's my turn. Everybody listen. It's my turn. Hey,
Kahoy ka ba?
look at that. Kahoy. Kasi,
Ako si Machete, right? 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 And I'm right?
Hindi. Kasi
What?
parang hindi pa naliliha yung mukha mo eh. Isama mo na rin yung friend mo, parang hindi pa naliliha din.
Nakakadalawa ka na sa akin, ha? Pare, nakakadalawa na, brother.
Okay, no problem. It's okay.
Ay, pero hindi, kamukha niya naman talagang pareho si Machete.
Oh, Machete, right.
Nung hindi pa siya nauukit.
Pare, hindi lang ako.
Hoy, saan ka pupunta?
Taong CR.
Ay, mamaya ka na mag-CR. Halika dito.
Oh, all right. No problem.
Mayroon ako magandang pick-up line sa'yo.
Okay, what's that?
Diamond ka ba?
Bakit? Kasi mukha akong mamahalin.
Hindi. Kasi silaw na ako sa ulo mo. Nakakasilaw. Oh, ay talaga. I'm so tired. Ang haba-haba na ng araw ko. Gusto kong mag-relax. Pwede ba leave me alone?
Whoa! Excuse me, miss. You're the one to enter this bar. Lumapit ka sa amin eh.
Hoy!
You're right, my man. You're right.
Ano? Ang kapal na mukha niyo, no? Siyempre, lalapit ako dito dahil o-order ako. Feeling pogi itong mga to.
Guys, pissed off ako, guys.
No, wait,
Relax, my man.
Ako.
Relax.
Sige, subukan mo. Lagot ka sa boyfriend ko.
Oh, boyfriend. Baka yung boyfriend mo lagot sa amin. Look at us. We're three, oh.
Yeah,
Kami.
it's 1, 2, 3. Boom! Boom!
Hindi nyo kaya yung boyfriend ko, no? Tiny!
Wow!
Tiny.
Wow! Tiny bubble!
Tiny!
Insecto.
Tiny baboy.
Super liit! Tiny!
Ganyan lang yan, bro. Ganyan lang yan.
May problema ka ba, babe? May problema ka ba?
Wala namang problema. Inaalok lang namin si ate ng bago namin promo sa salon namin eh.
Oo nga, oo. May 90% discount ngayong linggo. Yung banding namin. Oo.
Tiny, right? Tiny?
Yeah,
Pasensya ka
Tiny.
na. Mga same sila. Not interested. Ganun pa ginagawa natin. Let's go out here.
Let's go to the next
Thank
bar.
you.
Hindi pa tayo bar.
Thank
But,
you.
girl, let's go out again sometime.
Okay, let's do that. Okay, let's dance
Teka na nga,
it.
wala namang pogi dito.
Bye! Bye!
Ma'am, here's your order.
Thank you.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you.